Hello, my name is Mugilan Analaki Raju and my matric number is 08DKM22F1047. Today I will introduce you guys about introduction what is 3D models. The existing world of 3D modeling and its transformative impact on environmental and sustainability designs projects. We will see how 3D models empower designers, architects and engineers to create more efficient, eco-friendly buildings and infrastructure. 3D modeling is the process of creating digital representations of physical objects or spaces. These models can be manipulated, viewed from different angles, and used to simulate real world conditions. Thank you. Efforts to minimize negative environmental impacts. So, energy efficiency in buildings. High performance buildings materials utilizing material with high thermal efficiency such as insulated concrete forms, double glazed windows and reflective roofing materials can significantly reduce energy consumption for heating and cooling. And for the next, smart building technologies. Implementing smart thermostats, energy management system, and advanced HVAC heating, ventilation, and air conditioning control helps optimizing the use. These technologies adjust energy consumption based on real-time data and occupancy patterns. Green building certifications, the third one. So program like LEED, leadership in energy and environmental design, and BREEAM, building research establishment environmental assessment method. So this promotes sustainable building practices by providing frameworks and certification for buildings that meet high environmental performance standards. And for the fourth, so retrofitting existing buildings, upgrading old buildings with energy efficiency lighting, installation in HVAC system can greatly reduce their energy footprint. But retrofitting is often more sustainable than new construction. Urban planning and green space, compact urban designs. So promoting high density mixed use developments reduces the need for extensive transportation network and minimizes urban sprawl. This helps preserve natural landscape and reduces emission from commuting. So renewable energy integration. So solar power we have four. So which is those are solar power, wind energy, energy storage solutions, and the smart grids. So solar power installing photovoltaic PV. Those are called panel of rooftops and in solar farms convert sunlight into electricity, reducing dependence on fossil fuels. Solar energy is a clean, abundant, and increasing cost-efficiency energy source. And wind energy. Wind turbines, both onshore and offshore, harness wind power to generate electricity. Wind energy is one of the fastest growing renewable energy sources, contributing to significantly to reducing carbon emission. So combined approaches, those are net zero buildings. Constructing buildings that produce as much energy as they consume annually through a combination of energy efficiency measures and renewable energy generation. Sustainable urban mobility plans SUMPs, developing comprehensive plans that integrate land use and transportation planning to promote sustainable modes of transport and reduce environmental impacts.
The benefits of 3D modeling for sustainability from the aspect of economic and financial benefits are reduction in design errors. The reason why I am saying this is because the 3D models allow us to have a visualization of the project. This is because this could help the designer or the engineers to have a look at how they have constructed the design, and also they could detect the flaws they have in the early stages. So this will reduce the likelihood of making some costly mistakes and also rework during construction, which can be a significant burden to the company. So for example, they could detect a clash between structural elements and mechanical systems in a virtual environment. So plus this can prevent an expensive on-site modifications. So my next point is efficient project management. The reason why I'm saying this is because 3D models enhance project management by providing a clear and detailed overview of the project. This facilitates better coordination among the stakeholders of the company and also the architects, engineers, contractors, and also the clients. Efficient scheduling and also the sequencings of tasks are also possible. Plus, they reduce the delay and also ensure that all the resources that are being used are being used effectively. This can lead to shorter project timelines and also could also lower the labor cost. Plus, we could also reduce the cost related to equipment and machinery. So my next point is material cost savings. So the reason why I'm saying this is because the accurate 3D models allow for precise quantification of material for a project. So this precision helps in a project to avoid over ordering of materials, which can lead to wastage and also additional costs. It also prevents an under ordering, which could cause a project to delay or increase cost due to the multiple orders and transport fees. So optimizing the materials that we have been used not only saves money but also promotes sustainable practices by reducing the waste. So my next is improved project bidding. What is improved project bidding is when we are bidding for a project, having a detailed and accurate 3D model can make proposal more trustworthy and more appealing. It demonstrates the potential clients and also investors that the firm has truly planned the project and also all the aspects are being considered. So when the aspects are considered, this can lead to a more successful bids. This is because the client will be more trustworthy and they tend to make a business deal with us because our planning are very good. Plus, an accurate cost estimation based on 3D models ensure that the bids are competitive yet realistic. So it may help us to secure the contracts without compromising on profitability. So my next point is enhanced marketability. The reason is because high quality 3D visualization of projects serve as powerful marketing tools. They provide potential clients, investors, and stakeholders with a clear and realistic preview of the finished project. So this can be particularly persuasive in attracting investment and securing pre-sales for real estate developments. The ability to showcase a project in its entirety, including its sustainable features, can differentiate a firm from competitors and also attract our eco-conscious clients. So this could help the company to secure a big contract plus making a more high profit. Furthermore, I would like to add some points that are not on my slide, which is life cycle cost analysis. The reason why I'm talking about this is because 3D models enable comprehensive life cycle cost analysis by simulating the entire lifespan of a building or infrastructure. This includes the initial construction costs, operational and maintenance expenses, and also the refurbishment costs. So by understanding these costs upfront, this could help the project planners to have a detailed decision that optimize long-term financial performance and also the sustainability, leading to a more economical, viable project.
I want to continue about environmental benefits. Environmental benefits. Sustainable material selection. Maksud dia macam model 3D ni, kita boleh pilih, kalau kita buat model 3D, kita boleh pilih bahan dekat model 3D tu dan dapat simulasikan model. Jadi ini akan membantu mereka model 3D ini untuk memudahkan kerja mereka untuk memilih produk yang paling mesra alam. Okay. Kedua, reduction of carbon footprint. Maksud dia dengan mengurangkan terbentuk untuk kecekapan tenaga dan penggunaan sumber. Maksud dia macam ni, tenaga apabila kita guna model 3D, tenaga yang digunakan oleh manusia dapat dikurangkan dan sumber dapat kita tahu berapa banyak yang kita mahu. Kesan dia, projek yang direka dengan tenaga kerja yang rendah dan bahan yang optimal yang dapat dikira dapat mengurangi perubahan iklim dan mengurangi pelepasan gas rumah kaca. Ketiga, waste minimization. Maksud dia macam model 3D, dengan membuat model 3D ni kita dapat membuat dengan lebih tepat di software itu dan dapat pastikan bahan yang digunakan dengan cekap, lepas tu pemotongan dia tepat dan tak ada lebihan. Maksudnya memang tepat lah. Hal ini dapat mengurangi jumlah sisa pembinaan yang dihasilkan. Selain itu, mengurangi perbazikan bukan sahaja mengurangi kos pelupusan, tapi juga mengurangi tercemarnya alam sekitar. Okay. Yang keempat, water conservation. Water conservation ni maksud dia macam model 3D ni boleh simulasikan penggunaan air. Kita boleh nampak penggunaan air tu, lepas tu boleh nampak baik air hujan dan sistem pengairan. Kesan dia, hal ini dapat mencipta pengurusan air yang efisien, mengurangkan kos utility dan mempromosikan produk, terutamanya di kawasan di mana kekurangan air menjadi isu. Yang kelima, biodiversity protection. Kelima ni maksud dia macam model 3D ni boleh menghukumi data alam sekitar dan dapat simulasikan kesan pembinaan ke atas ekosistem. Hal ini dapat membantu mereka untuk melindungi biodiversity dan kawasan yang penting.
Next is social aspects 3D models. The first one is exclusive design. 3D modeling allows for the creation of spaces that are accessible to all individuals, including those with disabilities, by visualizing and testing design for universal accessibility. The impact is inclusive design ensures that all community members can use and enjoy the space, promoting social equity and enhancing the quality of life for everyone. The second one is community involvement. 3D visualization make it easier for community members to understand proposed projects and provide meaningful feedback during the planning process, fostering a collaborative approach. The impact is engaging the community helps ensure that projects meet local needs and preferences, leading to greater public support and successful project outcomes. The third one is cultural preservation. In projects involving heritage sites, 3D models can accurately capture and rep- replicate historical features, aiding and in the restoration and preservation of cultural landmarks. The impact is this ensures that cultural heritage is maintained for future generations, blending historical signification with modern sustainability practices. The fourth one is safety enhancements. 3D modeling allows for the simulation of various safety scenarios such as fire evacuation routes and structural integrity during natural disasters, ensuring the design prioritizes occupant safety. Enhanced safety features reduce the risk of accidents and emergencies, protecting occupants and potentially saving lives. The fifth one is enhanced quality of life by incorporating factors like natural light, air quality, and ergonomic design into the model. Designers can create space that promote physical and mental well-being. Space design with this consideration in mind contribute to the overall health, comfort, and happiness of their occupants, improving the quality of life. Conclusion: 3D models are a game changer for environmental and sustainability design projects. They allow for meticulous planning and optimization, resulting in less waste, lower energy consumption, and a minimized environmental footprint. From precision material used to strategically placed solar panels, 3D models empower designers to visualize and refine sustainable elements throughout the entire design process. This translates to real world benefits like reduced construction waste, energy efficient buildings, and a more sustainable future. Thank you.